Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this short video lecture I would like to guide you how to make a house planning step by step in the dimensions of 20 by 40 feet. This is part 6. If you didn't watch part 4th, 3rd, 2nd and 1st, so the link is in the description of this video. So let's get started guys. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Remember guys, three sides are closed for this house. So this is right side, this is left side, this is back side, and this is front. Okay, so the front side is located at the road side. Okay, this is road. Here on left side we have house, so you cannot keep any ventilation to this side. Right side, this is back side, this is left side. Okay, so the front is open. Okay, only you can keep the ventilation at the front side. So guys, here the size is 20 by 40 feet. Boundary wall, as you can see, so this is 6 inches. The boundary wall thickness is 6 inches. Okay, and interior walls are 4.5 inches. Guys, the first one you can see, this is main entrance or main gate. Okay, which width is 4 feet. Okay, this is 4 feet width. Next guys, you can see here, the width of this stair is here. This is 6 feet. Okay, this is 6 feet width. Okay, so each flight width is 3 feet. This is going for the first floor. So this is ground floor, so this stair is going to the first floor. So under this staircase guys, you can see here we have, under this stair we have general bath. Okay, and this is the window to the front side for this stair. Next guys, you can see the width of this passage is 4 feet. This width is 4 feet. So the first one, this is main entrance for this living room. This is living room. Okay, size of this living room is, this living room size is, guys, you can see this is 4 feet. Total we have 20 feet. So therefore this is 6 inches, this is 6 inches, so it become 1 feet, 5 feet. So here guys, this is 14 feet and 14 feet. Width is 14 feet and 6 inches. And this width is 10 feet. This is living room size. Okay, the next one guys, you can see this is the entrance for this area. Okay, so this is hall, which size is here. This is hall plus dining. Also this is kind of sitting area. Okay, this is dining. Size of this dining is 11 feet. Width is 11 feet and length is here same 14 feet and 6 inches. Okay, so the first one guys, here you can see this is bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 13 feet by 11 feet. This is the first one bedroom. So guys, you can see from this bedroom we have attached bath. Size of this bath is 4 feet by 7 feet. Guys, you can see clearly. So from this passage you can also use this bath. Okay, but here you have also the general bath. So from this living room, also for this hall and dining, you can use this bath. Size is 4 feet by 7 feet. Here guys, you can see this is its ventilation. You can see this is a window for this hall and dining. So here we have the dining area. Next guys, you can see this is a kitchen. Size of this kitchen is, size of this kitchen is 6 feet by 7 feet. Here guys, you can see this is a window. This is also window because this is open to sky. OTS. This is open to sky. Okay, and size of this open to sky is 4 feet, 6 feet here. Width is 6 feet and this is 3.5 feet. are 3 feet and 6 inches, as you can see clearly. So guys, you can see clearly this is a small house planning in the dimensions of 20 by 40 feet. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.